In this video, I'll be showing you how to take a full page screenshot in Google Chrome. Now, the most reliable way to take a full page screenshot in Google Chrome without using third-party extensions is through the Developer Tools command menu. This captures the entire page from top to bottom, including everything below the fold. So what you can do is just navigate to the website you want to do this on. So let's just say I want to do it on Google. And if you're on a Windows PC, go ahead and press Control, Shift, and I together, and then you're going to see this. And alternatively, you can right click anywhere on the page and then select inspect as well. Then you have to run the screenshot command. So once the side panel is open, press Control, Shift, and P like so. And then it's going to show this. And then just type the word screenshot like so. And then you can capture a full-size screenshot if you want to, like so. And then I'm just going to capture the full-size screenshot. And as you can see, it's now downloaded. So now if I go ahead and open it, it takes a full screenshot of everything that is displayed. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. It's going to generate it for you in complete, like, highest quality, and you won't miss anything. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.